Good afternoon, students. Today we will solve the question related to the second method of capitalization method, that is calculate goodwill on the basis of capitalization of super profit method. I am going to solve the question number 19 of your book. In this question, the question has told us that calculate goodwill on the basis of three formula: 4-year purchase of average profit, 4-year purchase of super profit, capitalization of super profit. All three has been asked to calculate in this question. I am going to read the question. Following information related to partnership firm profit and loss for last 6 years. The profit and loss of the 6 year has been given. The average capital employed is 2 lakh. The rate of normal profit is 15%. Let us see how we have solved the question. Firstly, what we will do, this is question number 19 in my book. This is old book, maybe in your book it may be question number 18 or 20. You can see that. Firstly, we will calculate the total profit of the firm. Total profit. The first year profit is given 20,000. Second year profit is given 60,000. Third year there is a loss of 10,000, so we will deduct it. Fourth year profit is given 60,000 plus 60,000. Fifth year profit is given 50,000. And 6-year profit is given 72,000. If we add all these things, $2,52,000 has been come. Now, next step is we will calculate the average profit. How it is the profit of 6 years, so we will divide it by 6. 2,52,000 divided by 6. How much it comes? This is 42,000. Okay. Now we will solve the first question. What the first question has asked in this question? Calculate goodwill on 4-year purchase of average profit. Calculate goodwill on 4-year purchase of average profit. So goodwill in case of average profit is equal to average profit into number of year purchase. Average profit is given into the question. It is 42,000. How many number of year purchase? 4. How much it comes? 1,68,000. Now, I am going to solve the next question. I will change the color of marker so it will be more visible to you, all of you. This in second question it is asked that calculate goodwill 4-year purchase of super profit. So in case of this, firstly we will have to calculate the super profit, and we know the formula of super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Average profit is given, we have already calculated average profit is 42,000, and for normal profit it has told us that rate of normal profit is 15%, and capital is given 2 lakh. Then normal profit is equal to 2 lakh into 15 upon 100. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into rate of return divided by 100. Same formula has been utilized. will be 30,000. Then we will deduct this 30,000 from average profit. How much it comes? 12,000. 12,000. Then goodwill is equal to super profit into number of year purchase. Super profit is 12,000. Number of years 4, it is given in this question also. 4 year is purchased. Then goodwill is equal to 48,000. This is the answer. Okay. So according to the super profit method, we have already learned how we have calculated the goodwill in case of average profit method, how we have calculated the goodwill in case of with the help of super profit method. Now let us see the third one. Question is asked that calculate goodwill on the basis of capitalization of super profit. Capitalization of super profit in this method, the goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 upon normal rate of return. Normal rate of return. In case of capitalization of super profit method, goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 upon normal rate of return. Super profit we have already calculated, this 12,000 into 100, and normal rate of return is given this 15%. So will be 80,000. Okay. So this will be the formula of calculating the goodwill in case of capitalization of super profit. I have solved this question because in a particular question you have find 3 method of calculating the goodwill. So at times of revision, if you solve this one question, by this one question you will recall all the 3 method of calculating the goodwill. Thank you, student.